Experience pontoon fishing with style. If combining fishing and cruising is your goal, Cascade Fish is for you. This full-size 8 1/2 foot wide fishing machine is offered in 2 layouts. If your need is fishing first and cruising second, then check out the Quad Fish. If cruising is your aim, but you want a fishing pontoon equipped space, then choose Rear Fish. Either way, you win, because features include deco-style walls, plush seating with exclusive Matrix 50 vinyl, large 25-inch pontoons, live well, fish finder, fiberglass driver's helm, carbon fiber dash and steering wheel, and top-end sound system. Find your secret spot with Tahoe Pontoon Boats.